Agency banks should be eligible to claim an agency commission for pension transactions at the rate of what amount per transaction if physical receipt is provided and what amount if the receipt is in e-mode. 20 लाख डिमार्ट शेयर के लिए मैक्सिमम होता है, वो 20 लाख है. आईपीओ के लिए 10 लाख दिया जाता है. आईपीओ के लिए 10 लाख दिया जाता है. एजेंसी कमीशन के ऊपर ये क्वेश्चन है. दिस क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू एजेंसी कमीशन एंड आंसर इट क्विकली. इट इज 40 and ₹9. C is the right answer. Many of you, Akshu, Rinki Pal, very good. RB, Master 247, निपा आहिर, संजय सोलंकी, बहुत सारे लोग सही हैं. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. Senior Citizen Saving Schemes. It is a government-backed saving scheme offered to Indian residents aged over what years, or if they have got superannuated or got BRS after the age of what years. Senior Citizen Saving Scheme जो है वो किन लोगों के लिए लागू होगा? जो नॉर्मल सिटीजन है, कितने साल के बाद? अगर किसी ने सुपर एन्यूएशन या फिर BRS लिया है उनके लिए कितना साल? सही आंसर क्विकली, ये सबके लिए है. जनरल बैंकिंग है, जिनके सिलेबस में जनरल बैंकिंग है ये काम आएगा. और ऐसा कोई एग्जाम नहीं होता बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री में जिसमें ये काम नहीं आएगा. जनरल बैंकिंग नहीं है. ठीक है, इट इज 60 years and 55 years. अगर आपने BRS दिया है या फिर अर्ली रिटायरमेंट लिया है तब 55 years के बाद आप सीनियर सिटीजन सेविंग स्कीम खोल सकते हैं. ठीक है. Co-lending banks will take what share of the individual loan on a back-to-back basis in their books. However, NBFCs shall be required to retain a minimum what percentage of the individual loan on their books? Co-lending bank plus NBFC. Why there is co-lending arrangement? Because bank have money or source of money. NBFC has the last mile reach. Okay, so banks are directed to give 40% PSL lending, but they don't have footing in the unbankable sectors. And normally the PSL is done in unbankable areas, village areas, rural areas, like foreign banks working in Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, etc. They don't have exposure to weaker sections. So what they should do? They should go for co-lending. So in such a scenario, what percentage of the loan amount will be in the books of the NBFC? Yes, it will be 20%. 20%. Co-lending, it's a co-origination setup between banks and NBFCs. So minimum 20% will be in the NBFC's book and 80% will be in bank's book. ठीक है, ठीक है. An account holder under Sukanya Samruddhi account can be opened by a deposit of rupees what and can be deposited up to rupees what during a financial year. ये जनरल बैंकिंग. इसके बाद प्रोफेशनल बैंकिंग में सीधा मैं जंप करूंगा. जनरल बैंकिंग मीन्स इजी क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू स्कीम्स, day to day practical banking activities. Professional bankings like corporate law, income tax rules, forex management, etc. will be there. So soon after 1 or 2 questions we will be jumping directly towards professional banking. Yes, the right answer is B. 250 250 रुपए से शुरू हो जाएगा. 1.5 लाख and limit is exactly same as ATC. आपके इंश्योरेंस के बराबर का है. ठीक है, ATC under Income Tax Act. As per the note refund amendment rules, where the number of soiled notes presented by a person is up to what pieces within a maximum value of what amount per day, banks should exchange them over the counter free of charge. Free of charge. And you know it is mandatory to mention in your bank premises that soiled notes are exchanged here free of cost. Am I right or wrong? Yes. देख लेते हैं कितने सारे लोग आ चुके हैं YouTube में. 582 प्लस. वेरी गुड. यस, D ₹20 pieces, ₹20 and ₹500. Sorry, 20 pieces and 5,000 rupees. Clear? Very good.